Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be making strawberry juice. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. So the first thing I will do is to introduce you to what I'm using. Inside this bowl here, I have some strawberries, salt, sugar, ice cubes, lemon juice and water. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. Now we wash my strawberries. Then remove the stem. After that, I will cut it in half. And put it inside my blender. Then add water. Now we add the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add my ice cubes. Cover with lid. Then blend it. After blending it, I will pour my strawberry juice inside my glass cup. So guys, this is the end result of how I make my strawberry juice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.